Hey, in this quick video, I want to show you how to reset your birthday on TikTok if you accidentally put the wrong birthday when you signed up. Because if you put the wrong birthday, there are some things that are going to be limited on your TikTok account. And there's only one way to actually change your birthday. The one thing that people will show you is logging out of your account and trying to log back in and resetting it. Don't do that. That doesn't work at all. The only option you have is, let's press the three lines right here. You got to be on your profile page on your TikTok account. Press the three lines right here. And on this page, there is an option over here to report a problem. There is no setting where it lets you change your birthday. It only lets you do that when you sign up. So this is for people that put the wrong birthday in. Report a problem here. And right here, click on account and profile. And here there's an option. It says editing your profile. So let's go there. And on this page, these are some other problems that are frequent about your profile, but other is related to something that's not here, which is your birthday in this case. And you need to type out that you used the wrong birthday, and you could provide proof if they need proof for your correct birthday and report this problem. Anything outside of this will require you to sign up with a new TikTok accounts. And with TikTok, you can have multiple accounts, by the way. So you don't have to have one. So I have one and I could jump into like a different one here too. So you can have two accounts if you put in the birthday on the wrong one here and you're not getting help from TikTok. I hope this solves your problem. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.